Hey, Melissa. To start off, I just wanted to say that it has been a real pleasure to get to read and edit your work these last 7 weeks. Um, to just get to know your unique writing voice and to watch that voice grow and change has been an absolute pleasure. So, thank you so much for continuing to show up as you have every week. And also, thank you for the generosity and the authenticity that you showed up with for each of your discussion posts. I really appreciated your presence in this class. Thank you very much. Um, so I just wanted to answer your questions for your poetry this week. So first with finding my soulmate, I just thought it was so wonderful that you used your classmates' lines. I thought that was really cool and that you chose to use their lines rather than the lines of, other more widely known poets. What a tribute to your colleagues in this class. So I did find that it fit well, and I do think that the poem is long enough to convey finding a soulmate. I think it's like more about the sincerity of the thing than it is about the length of the poem. So I think that you've captured that feeling here. And then, I think the lines do hold the same tone and flow well. And I think that the lines that you changed, made sense to me. I could see why you chose them, and I could see why you were making the small changes that you did. Um, I think it worked well. And in terms of your future self, um, so this one, it did sound like someone looking back, but yeah, it did seem like someone who was looking back. And I think the title works just fine. I felt like I could have read this poem for a few more stanzas. So in moving forward with it, my recommendation would be to keep writing it, to give it a few more lines, to give it a little bit more space to breathe. That would be my recommendation. So thank you so much once again, Melissa, and I look forward to reading the work in your final portfolio next week.